Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. So in this video, you will know the best coding challenging websites. So these are websites are very useful for beginners. So let us see one by one. The first one is Coderbyte. Cornerbite provides 200 plus coding challenges you can solve in an online editor using 10 different programming languages. It is also provides official solutions for some of the challenges along with 8 lakh user solutions. Coderbyte is recommended by the top coding boot camps because of its collection of interview preparation challenges. The second one is Code Wars. Code Wars provides a large collection of coding challenges submitted and edited by their own community. You can solve the challenges directly online in their editor using one of 20 plus programming languages. You can view a description for each challenges as well as user solutions. The third one is TopCoder. TopCoder is one of the original platform for competitive programming online. It provides a list of algorithmic challenges from the past that you can complete on your own directly online using their code editor. Their popular single round matches are offered a few times per month at a specific time where you compete against others to solve challenges. The next one is CodeChuff. CodeChuff is an Indian-based competitive programming website that provides hundreds of challenges. You are able to write code in their online editor and view a collection of challenges that are separated into different categories depending on your skills level. They have a large community of coders that contribute to the forums, write tutorials, and take part in CodeChuff's coding competitions. The last one is Code Fights. Code Fights provides a collection of coding challenges for you to solve in their online editor, and there is a form for users to discuss the challenges. They also have a feature called company bots where you write code to compete against a bot that was programmed by engineers at companies like Uber, Dropbox, and Quora. So that's all about some of the important website for beginners to advanced level programmers to get in-depth knowledge of coding in any programming language. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and likes our videos and share to your friends as well. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.